Having items for Crappage the Fan, obviously essential. We talk about items all the time, but sometimes I come across items that I get for Crappage the Fan, but today, right now, has made my life so much easier. So all the items I'm going to show on here are ones you want to consider because I have them, trust them, and highly endorse them. Because you know what? Before Crappage the Fan, it makes my life so much easier. And of course, I'll link all these below, but I'm going to ask you a little bit of homework. Tell me at the end, how many of these items do you have? Number one, fantastic. It's an electric kettle, 1800 watts, great for making tea or even anything else you need as far as hot water goes. We use it for all kinds of stuff. But for Crappage the Fan, this is great too, because you can plug it in your solar generator. Maybe you don't have a wood stove or a stove to be able to heat water up, so you can actually do it in short bursts with your solar generator. I've actually done that a few times on the channel. Number two is a label maker. I really like the Brother P-Touch. We've had ours for years and years and years. But even more so, if you're going to get one, make sure you get one that has the full keyboard. We've had some of these before without the keyboard, and they are a pain in the keister. Great now, and for preparing for Crappage the Fan, because it's nice to know where everything's at, labeling things, so that way you can keep it nice and organized. This next one was one of my wife's amazing ideas, so I give her credit. Large storage bags. We bought, it's maybe the 3-pack. We have a lot more than that. These are fantastic. We store things underneath our bed to keep it organized as well. So we have lots and lots of these. And I've mentioned these on the channel many times too. The reason being is this 6-pack of solar lights are fantastic as security lights. So much so that we bought some of these, I'm not kidding you, probably 5 years ago, if not more, and they still work amazingly well. So much so that we bought lots of others, so it lights up our property, no need for electricity, grids down, these will still work. And I point them away from the house, that way anything coming around, we can see what's coming. Do you have these? You should. These are Energizer Auto-On LED flashlights. It's a rechargeable 6-pack for power failures, and they are amazing and super easy to operate. We plug them in the outlets in our hallways, and when the power goes out, it automatically comes on, lighting your way. Then you can unplug them, retract the plug, and use them as flashlights until the power comes back on. Perfect, especially if you have a family, because you want to make sure you can guide yourself out in case there's a power failure, maybe from a fire, for example. And I have a few of these. These are Flex Solar 60-watt portable solar panels. They're great. They connect into your USBs to be able to keep things charged up. So they're nice. Keep them in your car, hook them to your backpack, and that way on the go, bug out bag, get home bag, or even just traveling, you can charge your devices. Perfect, obviously, for camping too. Oh, and I've talked about these before, haven't I? Owl motion detectors. I love these so much so that after I bought them and tried them, I bought lots more. Half-mile range. It says for driveway alarm. Sure, we've got it for that too. This specific set has 1 receiver and 4 sensors, and you can connect up to 32 sensors with it. And the best part, you can put a different alarm sound for every single sensor. I love these things. I use them when I'm at home and when I travel. Here's just a quick one. It's a Noco Genius 5 car battery charger, 6 volt and 12 volt. It's a smart charger. If you're ever looking for something to charge up your car battery, this is the one you want. But if you want one that's going to jump start your car, here's a Noco Boost GB40. It's a jump starter pack, makes it really easy and safe to jump start your car in case it dies. Living up here in Michigan, the first thing we bought were blackout curtains. They work so well because being so cold up here, they keep the heat inside the house. But in Crappage the Fan, you don't want people seeing inside your house or even light through the curtains. And that's another reason why I love these. And of course, there's lots of these. You can pick the design and the color so it looks nice too. Oh, this is my baby. It's a Dynaglow wood smoker. You can put charcoal in it too. But I love this. Not just for smoking delicious brisket and chicken and such, but Crappage the Fan, we have lots of wood around. I don't have to worry about trying to get propane or gas or even pellets for it. I can literally use the wood from my property to use this thing indefinitely, which of course that's going to be a very tasty time. We have a few of these. They're simply just air compressors. Obviously we pump up things for like the kids' tires and such, but for your car, indispensable. I keep one in my car at all times. $17. Or for just a little bit more, you can get a battery-powered one, which makes it nice too. But of course, you have to keep it charged up. We used to have a different brand of this, and it was a lot more expensive, but our batteries finally we couldn't get them charged. So we picked up this 2-in-1 electric pole saw. Has multiple blades, multiple batteries for short jobs and long jobs too. Maintaining your yard now, or like we did maintain our apple trees and such. But you know what? It's a chainsaw. If you don't need a lot of wood, it can work very well in cutting small pieces for you. Not to mention moving things around, debris and such for your house. I have lots and lots of these. They are simply solar bank solar chargers, solar powered too, also by the way, over 38,000 milliamp hours. And I use them all the time. built-in flashlight, compass, that type of thing too. But it's great. I mean, especially for the fact that I do so much filming, I take these with me and plug in stuff as I go. Not to mention, of course, you can keep your phone and everything charged up too. I would recommend at least having one. I've got a bunch. Or if you want a more powerful one and more sophisticated one, get the Ecoflow Rapid magnetic power bank. It has lots of features on it, not to mention lasts a long time. When I travel, I always make sure I have this one too. But it's nice it has the magnetic charger if you have the phone that's adaptable for that. Summer is approaching. For some of you, it's probably already here. It's the Ogery camping fan. I did a whole video on this guy. 20,000 milliamp hours. Obviously works as a fan, but has lights on it too. And it's fantastic. I use it all summer right here on my desk. Not to mention the lights on it. I use it as a work light because the whole fan is adjustable. I love this guy. But if you want to save a few bucks, I have one of these as well. It's a more simpler version, not from Ogery though. And it has the fan, but it also has a built-in solar panel, which makes it really cool. No pun intended. And I hope you saw my video on the Olight ArkPro Everyday Carry Flat Flashlight. This thing is amazing. And how amazing is it? I have a drawer full of flashlights, both battery and rechargeable, and even crank ones too, that I let the kids use. And I'm like, kids, have at it. Just don't touch my Olight. This is my friend. When I modeled it for the channel, I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. But now, oh, I love my Olight flashlight. Of course, I'll link it below and everything else too if you want to pick them up. These are items that, again, I've modeled for Crap It's the Fan. They do work for Crap It's the Fan, but I really come to depend on them now. And I love all these items. So tell me, how many of these do you own? Which ones are you going to pick up? Because again, I'll link them below, and we're Amazon affiliates. We'll get a portion of the sale, but your price doesn't change. But it's not about that necessarily. It's about getting you ready for Crap It's the Fan and making your life easier now. That's what we do on Goshen Prepping. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. We'll see you next time.